Hi everyone, welcome back with me Muhammad Haziq Hakim, and for this video I will show you on how to use Desmos. Desmos is the graphic calculator web that you can use to study mathematics, especially statistics. In the Desmos there are also have classroom that you can use like the other classroom platforms such as Google Classroom or ClassDojo. But today I want to teach you about the tools that have in the Desmos, especially about graphing calculator. In the Desmos there are a few calculators such as graphing calculator, scientific calculator, for function calculator, test practice, matrix calculator and geometry tool. But today I want to tell you about the graphic calculator in the that has been provided in the Desmos. So just pick the math tool and pick the graphing calculator option. So this is the interface of Desmos graphing calculator. On the left side you can see the section that you can put your equation in this box, and on the right side you can see the graphing indicator, and at the bottom you can see the button of number. So for example, for the first equation I will put for example the quadratic equation, 2x squared plus 5x plus 3. For the second equation I will put for example I will put the linear equation. We'll put 6x plus 5. You can see at the graphing indicator they will show you the intersection point and others info. And for the last example I will put the cubical equation. So first is for cubical equation, for example 3x cubed minus 2x square plus x plus 5. So you can see the graphing calculator will show you the exact shape of the graph by the equation that have you been provided on the left side. So I hope you will so that's all from me, and I hope you will get more knowledge about how to use Desmos in learning graphing calculator especially, and you can also explore another function that have been provided in the Desmos web. Thank you.